YouTube, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Tundra build. I know that there's quite a few of you guys actually liking this. I'm getting DMs on Instagram of you guys saying, hey Mitch, we're actually really, I found your Toyota build and I really like it, the Tundra. And so I hope you guys are enjoying this. It's gonna be a nice little week of some Tundra builds, Tundra videos. I got a lot more. This truck has just so much potential to do little things on it to make a huge difference. When I bought the truck, it had so much chrome wheels, chrome side steps, chrome badges, still has a chrome rear bumper, which is going to be coming off soon here. The inside is actually kind of chrome. So let me go ahead and show you the inside, and then you guys are going to see by the thumbnail what the new one looks like. But currently these are the factory interior bits that are never really aftermarketed. You know, they're never really done anything. I can't stand it. I was actually thinking about taking them off and getting painted. So I ended up finding a carbon fiber kit online, expensive, almost $400, 300 something, $350, but I think it's gonna be worth it because I just don't like, I really dislike the chrome or the brushed aluminum plastic. I can't stand it, to be honest. It looks so dated in here. I actually do like the radio and the climate control, and then the AGT knobs and shift knob. That all looks really good. Of course, the MITSUBISHI.com TRD badge, swing by. Still got a few of these left. I really appreciate all the orders from that. But we're going to be doing carbon fiber over this entire thing. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First and foremost, I need to vacuum the car. It's filthy. My fiance uses this daily, and where we are, there's a lot of road dirt and grime. So we'll clean it all up and get a nice surface, and I'll show you guys how to install this carbon fiber interior for the Toyota Tundra. So I ordered this the same week that I bought the truck, and it took that long to get here. So these are custom made. They are carbon fiber overlay. They're not, to me, it does look like it's real carbon fiber, but it's not. It's just a sticker, or not a sticker, but a resin. It's hard plastic. Hard plastic resin, I guess is what it would be. It is form fitted though, so it's molded. So it does have molded. It's not like just a vinyl sticker that just you have to push in it and heat wrap it. It's an actual piece that's molded to it. Same with the entire interior. So I'm excited for what it's going to be. So this is what it looks like. It took a very long time to get here. 4 or 5 months. So just have that aware. Yeah, I do like the brush or the shiny carbon fiber, aka real carbon fiber. This is real, and then this is like a sticker. I don't know if you guys can even tell the difference. Real, not real. It's very hard to tell. This thing's like $3,000. This is $300. And then here's real carbon fiber. That's real real weave. That's not that's matte or Dore carbon fiber. Very cool. So let's go over to the truck real quick. I'm gonna vacuum it, and then I'm gonna start cleaning the surfaces so we can start installing this. I said it would be a good idea to have your truck warming to get the truck to 75 degrees. Now, in addition to the 75 degrees, because I'm wanting this thing to be warm, I'll have the hair dryer to warm it up, because you're gonna want this thing warm. You don't want any of this stuff to come off, and you don't want it to be cheap and junky, so you're gonna have to really get this thing warm. The next thing you're gonna do is take some isopropyl alcohol, and we're gonna do this right now while the truck's warming up, because at one point in time there's been armor on this, and if there's not dirt, or if there's dirt or oil or anything that's not just pure paint on this, or pure friction, it won't stick. So we're gonna go over the entire thing right now with isopropyl alcohol, which is just like nail polish remover. We're gonna do it all over here. We're gonna do it on the center console. We're gonna do it on that door, and we're gonna do it on this door too. So let's go ahead and start doing that. That's the first step you need to do while your truck is warming up. Get this thing hot in here, hot and sticky. Get it hot, because you don't want it to be cold and oily and dirty and nothing sticks to this. So let's get after it. All right, the truck is getting up to temperature. It's getting warm in here, was what I want. So I brought the big piece, the most important one that the thing that I've been wanting to do the most because I can't stand the most. And you're gonna see how that just fits on right over there. Immediately transforms the entire truck. Oh my gosh, immediately so much better, so much more expensive, such a higher trim. So as the truck's getting warm here, they provide you with this 3M 94 primer. You're gonna want to break the inside of it. It'll make a little cracking noise, and then you'll want it where it comes out at the top here, and as this gets filled here, you're gonna wanna just go over the entire area of where this is gonna stick. Once that's done, we'll remove the backing of the 3M and just apply it, and we'll have a nice, perfect thing. One thing, be careful, look, that isopropyl alcohol removed this. So if you're going to use that, even though it says to use it, be careful. It's going to take up all that. So I wouldn't recommend using that. Maybe use a glass cleaner or something that has not as good, not as strong as isopropyl alcohol. It will lift all this, and then I accidentally touched this and got some on here. So I'll have to fix that. But be careful with the isopropyl alcohol. Okay, so I broke it. All you do is break the middle of this, and then you push on it, and you guys can see there's gonna be a little bit of primer that comes out. You guys can see that. Go across the entire surface area with this primer and get it all over there. What this is doing is literally just getting it ready for that last little step before you put the adhesive on here. We do not want this lifting. So in the kit, they give you quite a few of these. I've used 2 to get all this down. So I do have the carbon fiber up here on the dash getting all warmed up. It's pretty warm. I think I might hit it one more time with the air dryer, or yeah, the blow dryer. Let's put the steering wheel all the way down so that we have a lot of room here, and then let's go remove that 3M backing. This is all hand done, so whoever did this, good job. Very, very good job. That's awesome. For $300, I don't know if I would put all this on here. That's a lot of work. So we're gonna go ahead and start removing all this 3M tape, and then once I have the 3M tape up here, we'll go ahead and turn it around and apply it. Okay, it's taken me quite a while to install this. So a couple things. One, I'm really hot in here, which is good, but it's hot in here. It's gonna be hot. I didn't get this part aligned right here perfectly, so I had to pull it back a little bit and then re-push it. So when you're putting it on for that first try, oh my gosh, be very ultimately careful and align it perfectly. Don't push too hard on anything. It will, this plastic could break the OEM stuff. And then just make sure you can get your best, all aligned through all of these. It is very intricate, and there are a ton of little gauges and little things. Now, as we're going and we're getting the truck really warm, just go along and push everything back on, and just check where if you need to pull it off and readjust. The other thing is that I wanted to say, this actually goes over the side of this right here, and I feel that I almost need to remove the air incline control to make this thing flush perfectly, or maybe I need to go over to the left a little bit more, but I think it might be a good idea if I pop out the plastic over here so it can actually tuck behind or between this little wedge right here. It's a really tight fit, which is nice. And then over here is a very, very aesthetic, I mean, that's perfect. There is no more silver on that. That looks flawless on this side over here, so I'm really loving it. Okay, quite a bit of work. So this is quite a bit of work, but insane turnout, right? Insane. No more of this chrome. So many, look at all this, so many 3M pieces, so it does take a lot of work. Let's go ahead and get the next part and move down to the shifter selector area. We're going to move this shift knob so I have good access here. Okay, again, I'm going to heat up the lower part here, get it all ready, make sure that 3M comes off real nice here. So much 3M tape, very good job with this company. I am also going to be doing these guys over here, so there's 2 on the side over there. I do like black plastic on cars. I think that looks fine. I don't like the silver chrome. Why those are, everything's getting warm. I did remove the shift knob, lefty loosey. Truck is still on, it's still getting warm in here. I'm cooking in here. I'm gonna break one of these and clean all this area. That is so sexy. Okay, this thing's pretty warm here. Got it all warm, got all the 3M off. 5 minutes to get all the 3M off. It's gonna take you some work. Let's go ahead and mount it right here. Make sure you kind of get your seat, maybe put your seat all the way back, take out that little center thing there, and get all your area, your workspace clean. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Okay, I did remove that little center thing right here to make sure I got a good fit. Do the same. Push on here, hold on here. Gosh, that looks amazing. Oh gosh, that is just perfect. Yeah, make sure you get all that stuff on the side here. It'll go on pretty good, pretty perfect, the alignment's spot on. They did, there's a reason this thing costs $300 because it's such good quality. This is really good quality. Very aesthetic, very nice, fits perfectly in here. Go along, push the whole thing. It's getting warm in here. I did have to pull the selector into drive to get the thing over, so you might have to do the same thing as me. But again, this is all worth it because we finally got rid of all that stupid chrome. I couldn't stand all that. It looks so much better. Wow, truck looks way more expensive. All right, let's put the AJT. This is a great, beautiful shift knob too. If you guys want this, it's from AJT, a great brand that makes Toyota Tundra parts and Tacoma parts 4Runner parts, whatnot. Very aesthetic knob, really like it. Very masculine, looks awesome. That looks so good. Wow. Yeah, that looks so much better. Wow. Gosh, that looks so much more expensive. That's so good. Okay, so I did jump over. I'm over sitting in the passenger side. We're gonna clean this right here and then this right here so we can have it all matching for the Tundra. Those are out there cooking. They're cooking on the heater, and we'll be on our way. So let's go ahead and do the clean these with the little sticks now. That looks awesome. That makes the truck look so much more expensive. Way. Be careful, this 3M stuff, once it gets warm, it wants to stick. So you gotta get it right. Just an FYI, this right here used to be clear. That's how much junk that came off of these vents. So you're gonna go through all these. That's why they give you so many of them. So be careful, you're gonna need to save some for the rear. I have 5 left with 4 of these guys left. So let's go ahead and put this guy on. Okay, so this is a 10-piece kit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think that it's kind of weird. I don't know why they gave me, I feel like I got an extra, but maybe they want you to put them right here or something. So here's what I mean is, I'm having these warm up. This guy's gonna go right here, obviously, because it matches and there's a window switch. I don't know, like, where's this one gonna go? I'm not sure why they gave me another one of those. I'm gonna have to, I don't know where the last ones go. I'll have to look around. Kind of confused. So let's go ahead and open this guy up here and install this one and get the driver's side, and then we'll hop back over to the passenger side. All right, so I figured it out. The reason there's extra is because the Tundras come in different crews, you know, crew cab, like our crew max like I have, or a double cab or whatever. The crew max, you need an extended one. These ones are slightly longer. So let's go to the back and install the last, well, I gotta do that side, but I gotta do the rest of them. But look how nice that looks. Oh my gosh, carbon. Looks really good, really good. Wow, look at that, perfect fit. Yep, worth it, definitely worth it. Look how good that looks. Come back over here. As I hit the door, whoops. Perfect, look at that. Really good, nice, perfect flush fitment, really like it. Over there, that looks so good. The entire truck looks so much nicer, so much newer. Huge difference, definitely recommend. Is it worth the price tag? Yes, it is. It'll really transform your Tundra. If you look at newer trucks or more modern trucks, they do the same thing. They kind of look like this too. All black interior. The chrome and shiny stuff, sometimes it looks good, maybe if like the entire car is gray or silver, but for me, I just don't like it. I like the black and black accents, or black and red accents. Perfect fit, looks really good, extremely OEM-esque. It's not OEM, but it looks very OEM-esque. So I hope you guys appreciate this, and on this how to install in the Tundra, go to buymitchroy.com, grab a TRD badge. These are custom made from my website, so swing by there. Of course, that Tundra shift knob looks amazing. AJT, Clausio seats, sponsored as well. Appreciate all the sponsors, you guys are awesome. That's it. So I got all these. The next things I need to do for the Tundra is I'm going to put some LED bulbs for the Alpha Rex. So I'll show you those real quick. I did get those sponsored. We'll turn the Alpha Rex headlights on. Right over here, of course, they look amazing. The high beams are LED, but these are incandescent bulbs, and I got sponsored for some LED bulbs, so I'll be showing you guys how to install those. But wow, truck looks absolutely amazing. The black badges made a huge difference, We'll be painting the wheels black here soon and getting some black runners here soon. Got a lot of more things I need to order for the Tundra, but yeah, it's really coming along. I think I'm gonna take these back off and smoke them so that they look good. I will probably end up doing new taillights too. I got the new rear bumper coming, but I think I'm gonna do, I don't know, comment down below if you guys think I should do new taillights, but I think I'm gonna do something different, maybe a little aftermarket. But this truck is awesome, super aesthetic, looks amazing. Of course, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. I'll have the link for this stuff down below too. Like, subscribe. We got more Toyota CELICA stuff coming, MR2, hopefully some LOTUS stuff coming too. Like, subscribe, see you guys in the next video.